Get ready. 5 seconds to go. Start. It is argued by the learned State Council that Constable Raj Singh, who was deputed as security guard with the petitioner, had met accused Krishan, which supports the version of the investigating agency. Stop. Such an argument is fallacious as there is no supportive evidence to corroborate that Raj Singh had ever met Krishan. Stop. Further, the statement of Jayaprakash Daya that petitioner had asked him to exchange currency notes to small denomination with larger denomination as also gets falsified from the certificate of the bank which is annexed as Annexure A5 with the petition. Stop. As per Annexure A5, it could not be verified whether any amount of rupees 500 denomination notes had been exchanged for notes of smaller denomination, as no such record is in the branch. Stop. It is further stated that as per their cash deposit book, the maximum notes of rupees 500 denomination in the month of December 1998 were rupees 16 lakh, as on 29 October 1998, out of which rupees 13 lakh were deposited with currency chest of Reserve Bank of India, Stock, Sonipat Road, Rohtak, on 30th December 1988. Stock. Thus, the statement of Jal Prakash Daya that he had got the currency notes of small denomination exchanged with larger denomination gets completely falsified by this certificate. Stop. In order to prove conspiracy, the prosecution has to prove meeting of minds for commission of offense. Stop. Each conspirator did not take an active part in commission of each and every one of the conspirational acts. Stop. However, conspiracy can be proved by circumstantial evidence as well as by direct evidence. Stop. Though the conspiracy is always hatched in secrecy, the prosecution must prove some physical manifestation of agreement, although it may not be necessary to prove actual meeting of two persons or the words by which the two persons communicated. Stop. The only evidence in the instance case is confessional statement made before the police, which are hit by the provisions of section 25 of the Indian Evidence Act. Stop. Since no recovery was made following the two disclosure statements, therefore no part of the statements could be proved even under section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act. Stop. To substantiate the charge of conspiracy, the prosecution must prove agreement between two or more persons to do an unlawful act or to do a lawful act by unlawful means. Stop. The law requires specific proof against each of the conspirators participating in person to particularly design a particular thing. Stop. The object of the conspiracy must be proved as laid. It must be proved by positive evidence that there was a positive agreement in the mind of two or more persons or there was a meeting of mind to do an unlawful theft. Stop. Unless a detailed specific proof against each of the accused who had participated in a particular design to do a particular thing has been established, no charge under section 120B IPC can be proved. Stop.